Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Today, we are going to practice English listening with a very useful topic talking about your day using the present perfect tense. The present perfect is often used when we want to connect the past to the present, when we want to show experiences, or when something that started in the past is still important now. So let's talk about daily life using simple examples and practice step by step. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You want to tell your friend about what you have already done today. You don't say only, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work. That is simple past. Instead, you can connect it to the present moment. For example, you can say, I have woken up early today. I have eaten breakfast already. I have started my day with some exercise. These sentences show that the actions are finished, but they are still connected to now. When you say, I have eaten breakfast, it means you don't need to eat again now because it is done. When you say, I have started my day with exercise, it shows the effect is still true. Maybe you feel fresh, strong, and ready. Let's listen to a small conversation. A. Good morning. How has your day been so far? B. It has been good. I have already had breakfast and I have taken a shower. A. That's great. Have you checked your emails yet? B. Yes, I have checked them. I have also answered 2 important messages. A. Wow, you have been productive already. This short dialogue shows the structure very clearly. Did you notice the form? We always use have or has plus the past participle. For example, have taken, have checked, have answered. If it is third person singular, like he or she, we use has. For example, she has cooked breakfast. He has gone to school. My friend has worked a lot today. Now, let's expand. Imagine you want to tell the story of your day from morning until evening. We can use the present perfect many times. Listen carefully. I have woken up at 7 a.m. I have brushed my teeth and I have had a cup of coffee. I have listened to the news on the radio and I have read a little bit from my favorite book. After that, I have taken a short walk outside. The weather has been nice, so I have enjoyed the fresh air. Later, I have come back home and I have prepared my breakfast. I have eaten some eggs and bread, and I have drunk a glass of orange juice. After breakfast, I have checked my phone and I have seen that I have received 3 new messages. I have replied to them quickly. As you can hear, this way of speaking makes it sound natural to describe what you have already done, and it connects to the present moment. Now, let's practice with some questions. Listen and answer for yourself. Have you eaten breakfast today? Have you drunk water this morning? Have you talked to a friend today? Have you checked your messages? Have you learned something new today? When you answer, try to use short, positive, or negative answers. For example, yes, I have eaten breakfast. Or no, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Yes, I have drunk water. Or no, I haven't drunk water yet. This yet is very common with the present perfect in negative sentences. I haven't eaten yet. I haven't studied yet. I haven't finished my work yet. It means the action is not done, but you expect to do it later. Let's continue the story of the day. In the afternoon, I have gone to the supermarket. I have bought some vegetables and fruit. I have also bought bread and milk at the supermarket. I have met an old friend. We have talked for a few minutes and we have exchanged phone numbers again. After shopping, I have returned home and I have cooked lunch. I have made pasta with tomato sauce. It has tasted delicious and I have enjoyed it very much. After lunch, I have washed the dishes and I have cleaned the kitchen. Now let's listen to another dialogue. A. What have you done today? B. I have gone shopping. I have bought food and some clothes. A. Really? What clothes have you bought? B. I have bought a new shirt and a pair of jeans. A. That sounds nice. Have you tried them on? B. Yes, I have tried them, and they have fit me perfectly. Notice again how the present perfect is used. It helps us talk about experiences, and sometimes the exact time is not important. We don't say, I bought a shirt yesterday. That is past simple. But if we want to say only the experience, not the time, we use present. Perfect. I have bought a shirt.